The Xiaomi portable electric air compressor is still going strong after accidentally getting run over. You can see how heavy damage it took, and quite surprisingly it still works. The only issue I had to deal with is that sometimes the air compressor tube pops out from the air nozzle. Somewhere I'll find a way to tighten it up. Maybe a hose clip may do, as I've already tried a cable tie and it did not secure it properly. Anyway, after a heavy beating it still charges and it still functions very well. Shows how robust this air compressor is.